Let's go.
I am giving all this land as far as you can see to you and your descendants.
To you and your descendants. Abraham akanamntwana. Akasho Lot. To your descendants. Abantwana bekho manje. Abantwana basese ku Abraham. Abantwana baku Abraham. Every vision carries pregnancy. Everything, not only church, everything oqala ukuyenza engakazi yenzeke ekhayini, it's pregnant. It's pregnant. So if you dwell on the past, your past can abort the child. Or people from the past can abort the child. What is a child? That's why we call them newborn babies, not old-born babies. It's new. It's something that never exists. It's a newborn baby. Be careful how you handle newborn babies with your past. That's why if you can go to a labor room, you can kill the baby. Why? Your past. Where are you coming from? What have you been doing? You can't touch the new with the wrong hands. You cannot receive the new with old hands. It's new. It's blameless. Without spot. You can touch and leave spots. Continue. People are not aware. If you know what God has put in you, you'll be careful. Anything that tampers with your baby, anything that tampers with the child in you, you are not afraid to separate from it. You are not afraid to lose it. Because God is making you. He's making you. Your value is not on people. You are made by God. Let's go.
I am giving all this land as far as you can see to you and your descendants as a permanent possession.
As a permanent possession. Now what happened to the Israelites? They were in slavery in Egypt. Where Abraham went and he came out. Wabuyele Canaan. Babosha kupona Egypt. Bakhala in Canaan. They didn't look and see. God took them through a long route to find out what is in their hearts. So God did not need to search Abraham. He needed to separate him with Lot to welcome the future. If I search your heart, I'm looking for something that can be passed on. So I want to remove that. Angifuna pass it on now. So I must search what? Your heart. Kuthi ungangiletheli into obuya nayo le uyilethela kimi. Oh. Ungezi nezolo lakho in what is new. Ungezi nezolo lakho entweni esha. Uyathandaza Nkosi, ngibusise ngaloko, ngifuna lokho. Are you new or are you old? God might not be giving you because he can see you are going to put spots. You're going to put spots on the vision. You're going to put spots on the calling. Because you want to hold on people and maintain your dignity while God rejects you. A person who's made by God, they are not afraid to be alone. They are not afraid to face the future alone, knowing that God is with them. They don't depend on human balancing. They balance on the dream, on what God showed them. That is their strength. That is what pushes them further. I had a dream. I was sleeping unaware that I will dream, but the dream came. And when I woke up, I said, I'm following. Now, along the way, you lose what you saw, because now you are seeing people. God will support what He showed you. It's His vision, it's not your vision. He will support it, He will take care of it. He will support it. Let's go.
I am giving all this land as far as you can see to you and your descendants as a permanent possession.
Permanent. When you go Abraham, permanent. No one will take it from you. Permanent. You get it? You see, when you receive things that are aligned with what God has shown you, those things, they don't move away from you. They are permanently with you. But anything that is not permanent, it will destroy you. It will? If it can be permanently joined with you, it means it can separate you from what God has shown you. Because God says, I'll give it to you and permanently. It means that it's a permanent thing. Hey, so siyakhuluma futhi hey phela bese ngibuye eGibhite sengibuye ukuphika nomfazi wami. Hey, ngize ngaphika nomfazi angazi kwenzakalani. uNkulunkulu uthi uhambe ne relatives.
Hambe nesihlobo.
Uphuma rich ekhaya baphethe imfuyo, mara le mfuyo ayisebenzi lapha. Uzwe indlala. It means lento ethethe kuba bakho angeke kusebenzele. Le mfuyo uphuma nayo ekhaya angeke kusebenzele. I said, I'm going to make you. I said, I'm going to make you. What I give you is what will be permanent. It will survive all tests.